HTML, or HyperText Markup Language, is a fundamental technology behind every web page you visit. But here's a question: is HTML a programming language? Well, not exactly. Let's dive into the key differences between HTML and programming languages. First up, HTML is a markup language. That means it uses tags like paragraph, header, and image to structure content on a web page. These tags give instructions to your web browser on how the content should look. But here's the key thing: HTML doesn't include any logic or calculations. It's all about how things are displayed. There's no complex decision-making or interaction happening behind the scenes. But here's the key thing: HTML doesn't include any logic or calculations. It's all about how things are displayed. There's no complex decision-making or interaction happening behind the scenes. This makes HTML great for creating static content. The content you see stays the same until someone manually updates it. On the other hand, programming languages like Python, Java, or C++ are designed for much more. These languages enable you to build dynamic applications, handle logic, perform calculations, and interact with users in real time. They bring websites to life by adding interactivity, things like forms, animations, and dynamic content that respond to what the user does or data from databases. So, where does HTML fit into web development? It's still an essential tool. HTML lays the foundation of your web page, defining its structure. When combined with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity, HTML becomes part of a powerful web development trio. In summary, HTML isn't a programming language, but it plays a crucial role in web development. Understanding how it differs from programming languages is key to building effective websites. Ready to master HTML and CSS? Grab our comprehensive ebook packed with tutorials, practical examples, and expert tips to take you from beginner to pro. Click the link below to get started on your web development journey.